What's up, YouTube? Welcome back, traders. As you can see, it is currently Wednesday, October 30th, 2019. I'm just basically going over a trade that I was into earlier. Well, I've been in since earlier this week. I've been trading this trade short to the downside, but I actually traded this trade long to the upside earlier during the FOMC update. As you can see, right now I'm actually voicing over this video, so it's actually later on in the day, but you'll see I'm telling you where I'm setting my entry point at the bottom of that green wick right there at the top, and also have my stop loss originally at the top of that high right above that trending resistance level. As you'll see that I've actually went through a couple fib levels. I've actually set my stop loss right above one of my fib levels because I don't expect price to go up. And if price does go up, I do not want to lose any of my money. Now that's my Williams percent R. As you'll see right here, I'm about to set my support line. This is actually where I expect to take profit. This is the most relevant support level. This is another trade that I spoke about earlier last week on Wednesday. See, I set my entry point and my stop loss, and you'll see we're breaking through Fibonacci extension levels. I'm gonna link the other video in the description down below, and also at the end of this video, so you all can go back. This is another trade I talked about. I said to go take this trade long. As you'll see, this trade is actually trading backwards now. It's actually going down to the downside. We actually have a Tinkerson curving downward, and you'll see that our high is actually lower than the previous high. So you'll see right now I'm just marking my market sentiment. So you'll see I got trending downwards, trending upwards, and trending downwards. We're making lower highs and lower lows. So we're definitely looking at taking this trade short. It's not too late to get in this trade, but I'd rather not get in this trade because I think the stop loss is like 170 pips. However, on this trade, I would expect to get, I think it was like somewhere around 300 pips. Um, I'm actually showing you right now in the press box. I've also sped this time up so you don't have to take the whole 11 minutes. I've actually sped it up to only be about 5 minutes. So, like I said, you'll see me marking the fib levels, and you'll see me where I'm about to make those changes. And like I said, anytime I look for a take profit, I'm always looking to I'm always looking to make a take profit below my recent low. So in this case, that would be my fib 618, I believe, because I can't really see, or the 7, yeah, that fib 1 level. I'm looking at that fib 1 level, actually. So we're definitely going to break Keynesian also. This is another trade I talked about, Aussie CAD. You'll see we bounced off that trending support line. I may take this trade long next week, but I'm waiting for a retracement right now. It has bullish sentiment. It'd be crazy to hop in this market at this point. So yeah, I'm waiting on a short. I won't be shorting that currency, however, I will take it long if it comes back to my level. I'm not sure what I talked about with New Zealand yen. I think I said to take this one long. I'm not sure. Looking at this trade, New Zealand CAD, this is when I was talking about you could actually invest in because we were at a 52-week low. And you'll see you can I actually said to short that with a short stop loss, and you see we came right down to that 52-week low. So looking at this, you'll see our 52-week low. We actually came close to that point, and I think I'm gonna show you. I would set a stop. Oh, didn't show you, but I would have set a stop loss right on top of that spinning top, and a stop loss right below, or a buy stop above that spinning top, and a stop loss below. And you'll see this CAD Swiss franc. You'll see we're currently in a bullish market, but it looks like it's trying to make a new low, so I'm not sure about this one. But you see we did bounce off that fib, I believe it's 7.86. So it went exactly where I said it would. You see it bounced right off that level. You see we broke through those other fib levels with our bullish sentiment. And you see my Williams percent R is right now saying we're still short. So it could be switching sentiment. It could reverse. We don't know. Aussie New Zealand, I actually like this pair. If I wasn't in my trade, I'd definitely trade this pair. We're definitely in a nice range. You'll see I have my support and resistance mark. You'll see this. I have my stop loss. I have my entry point. Right now would be a good point to get in this trade. Williams percent R is signaling sell. So that's it, folks. That was basically just the conclusion of the trading video that I put on YouTube last week. I'm gonna link that video down below in the description and also at the end of this video, so you can actually go see those trades the way I set them up, and you'll see that I believe all the trades actually went where I said they were going to go. So basically everything was green this week. As you can see, I actually made, well, I'm still making $644 this week, and that's off of my trade that's still open. So everything's already green. I made like 150, maybe 200 bucks off the FOMC news. And like I said, I'm currently what, like $200 into that USD Swiss, and I also made like $200 off of it before. So that's pretty much it, folks. Please like the video, subscribe, comment down below anything you would like to see in my future videos. Let me know how I did, please. And with all that being said, I hope you all have a wonderful trading week. Peace.